Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you create automatic reply in Microsoft Outlook. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's get into the video. Open your Outlook. So once you have already in your Outlook application, so what you have to do here is on your left hand panel here, you will see a settings options. So click on settings option. So once you click on setting options, you will come up with this list here. So here, choose automatic replies. Click on automatic replies, and here you can select if you have multiple Outlook accounts, then just choose the one that you're currently working on. So just choose that. So if you have multiple accounts, and then here where you have this switch here, send automatic reply, turn that on, and then now you can choose whether you can set the message here, whether you're sending it whether this automatic replies is for within your organization or outside your organization. So you can just select that, or if it's just for your contacts, so you can select, you have those preferences, so you can set that up, and then you can also mention your reply message here, and then all you have to do is that's it, and then click save. So that's it. So once you turn that on and put this on, so that's it, it's all set. So that's how pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.